Wipe your baking pan with a butter. Place your oranges just like this. In a bowl, put eggs. Mix it using wire whisk. Put 1 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of oil. Just continue mixing. Put 6 pounds of juice or orange juice. Mix it thoroughly. Put 12 ounces of sifted flour. Put 3 tablespoons of baking powder. The last one. Mix it slowly, nice and gently. Until it's going like this. Nice and smooth butter. Pour it on the top of the oranges. Slowly, just like this. After pouring, put it in the oven for about 45 minutes. For a syrup, put 0.65 pounds of orange juice and a 3 tablespoons of sugar. Turn on the heat. Make it slowly. Bring it to a boil. Put it here to make warm syrup. When it's totally warm, pour it over the orange cake rather. Wait till the syrup absorbs to the cake. This is it. It is smooth orange cake. Now let's get sliced. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.